The newest and best tank eradicator on the market, the M10 tank destroyer, guaranteed, and I do mean guaranteed, to blast the last swastika off any tank she meets. Easily accommodating its crew of 5, the new M10, affectionately known as the Little Beauty, handles with the ease of a kiddie car. And with her new improved bogies, rough terrain becomes smoothest highway. Durable as a rhinoceros, the destroyer can crawl down a cliff like a fly on the side of a building. And how is she in water? Why, gentlemen, the Little Beauty might well be called the M10 Duck. Power? Watch her twin diesel engines pull her up this 28-degree grade with no track drowsers. Just picture yourself in the TD cruising along this road. Sudden death to the Mark 6 Tiger, the German tank test now extinct in North Africa. Maximum speed, 32 miles an hour. Easy steering with clutch brake. 200 miles to the tank full. Notice the ease with which she's buttoned up for action. The smart zipper covers on the gun are yours at no added cost. And still another extra is the manual firing bar. Every man in a TD is a happy man. Why, who wouldn't be happy at the shooting end of the powerful 3-incher? The gun turret revolves in a complete circle, turned by a traversing wheel even your sister could operate. And here's a feature we're especially proud of. Front and side periscopes for easy visibility. Firing the gun is a pleasure you won't want to miss with our new automatic breech block and the simple firing device. Gentlemen, the M10 is a paragon of accuracy, and the shells, also manufactured by the Screaming Eagle Hardware Company, will pierce the thickest armor plate. Don't wait. Get your M10 tank destroyer today. That's spelled T-A-N-K-D-E-S-T-R-O-Y-E-R. Tank destroyer. You can't go wrong with the Little Beauty. Guaranteed to make any tank curl up its tracks and die. If you don't believe us, ask the man who didn't own one, General Erwin Rommel of Berlin, Germany. See you're right, your supply sergeant today. Immediate delivery is assured.